Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be painting a Phobos Librarian. Let's begin. Starting off with a model based in Wraithbone, we're going to paint all the armor on him in Gryph-hound Orange. Next, we're going to paint in all the leather with wild wood. Then I paint his power sword with Talosar blue. Now we paint in his robes and cloth with Celestra gray. Next, we take a lead belcher, and I'm going to paint the keys that are on his hip, some parts of his sword, and some other small little details that you think should be silver. Now we take Retributor armor and we paint in the skulls that are on his gloves his belt buckle, the outlining of his pistol holster, Now that the base colors are all done, I assembled him, and now we're going to take Mechanicus Standard Gray, paint in the gray that's showing on his shoulder pad here, and then we're going to do the creases in his robes. Next, we take Wearerly Yellow, and we go over all the hard edges on the armor. Now, I take Ulthorn Gray, and I go over all the hard edges on his robes. Finally, we take Moot Green, and we go down the edges of the blade, down the center of the blade, and I also paint in the design at the beginning of his blade. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Have a great day.